When the Americans with Disabilities Act was signed into law in 1990, it established a legal mandate for equal access and independence for disabled individuals in all sectors of public life. That civil rights victory was driven by activists who spent years demonstrating for the right to navigate their communities and workplaces without barriers. Despite these decades of standards, the modern internet remains structurally exclusionary. Current audits show that 97% of the top 1 million homepages failed basic accessibility tests. Interactive data visualizations are often the primary point of failure, acting as a solid barrier for any user trying to access information through assistive technology. This failure usually stems from a professional misconception. Many developers assume accessibility is limited to choosing a colorblind safe palette or writing a single sentence in an alt attribute. In reality, screen readers parse a parallel DOM called the accessibility tree. If a visualization lacks a semantic foundation, it effectively disappears from this tree, leaving the user with a silent page. Data visualization accessibility requires rigorous software engineering and architectural planning, rather than simple graphic adjustments. Whether a chart can be made accessible depends on its rendering technology, and many teams start by choosing the wrong one. The HTML canvas element draws only pixels. It passes no semantic information to the browser, which creates a complete black box for screen readers. Using inline scalable vector graphics, or SVG, provides a more accessible standard. Because SVGs exist as distinct nodes in the document, they provide the necessary hooks for area labels and programmatic keyboard focus. This structural approach ensures the data remains the primary content, while the visual chart acts as an enhancement layered over that foundation. Bridging the gap between a picture and a usable interface requires 3 specific interventions: semantic tables, labeled SVGs, and keyboard routing. Cramming hundreds of data points into a single alt attribute string is a common mistake. It forces a screen reader user to listen to an entire dataset as one unbroken sentence. The W3C complex image model provides a better pattern for engineering these descriptions. The first part is a short summary. This text identifies the chart and states its primary trend or takeaway. The second part is a semantic HTML data table, allowing users to access raw numbers at their own pace. Within this table, scope equals call and scope equals row create programmatic links between headers and cells, so a screen reader announces January 40 instead of an unanchored number. This structure gives screen reader users the same random access navigation that a sighted user gets from scanning a chart. Because the HTML table carries the actual data, it is the most critical alternative. If it disagrees with the visual, the entire component is broken. On the visual side, a bare SVG tag using an internal title element is a fragile pattern. Modern browsers often fail to expose these titles to assistive technology. Developers should instead use the role M attribute to treat the entire SVG structure as a single graphic. Wiring the ARIA labeled by attribute to the trend summary collapses the SVG's internal shapes. This prevents screen readers from announcing every coordinate path, focusing only on the summary. For decorative elements like sparklines, using ARIA hidden and focusable prevents them from cluttering the accessibility tree or stealing keyboard tab stops. Curating this SVG layer ensures that we hide visual noise while preserving the semantic meaning of the data. Visual accessibility has one absolute rule: color must never be the only way to distinguish between data series. We solve this by implementing secondary cues, such as distinct stroke dashes, SVG pattern fills, or direct text labels placed at the end of each line. Furthermore, meaningful chart marks must maintain a 3:1 contrast ratio against both the background and adjacent elements to satisfy WCAG requirements. Developers should also render all axes and value labels using native SVG text notes rather than baking the words into a flat image. Because SVG text is vector-based, labels remain crisp and machine-readable even when a user zooms the page to 400%. When these engineering standards are met, the visualization remains perfectly legible even in pure grayscale. Interactive charts often fail when vital information is hidden exclusively by mouse hover tooltips. Accessibility requires interactive parity. If a tooltip appears on hover, that same information must be available through keyboard focus. We enable this by adding a tab index to individual SVG data points, making them reachable through standard keyboard navigation. The challenge is to announce these changing values to a screen reader without pulling focus away from the chart. A polite live region, ARIA Live Polite, solves this by pushing new data values to the screen reader as the user tabs. This transforms a static image into a fully explorable and accessible application interface. Engineers should be aware that most charting libraries will not handle these architectural requirements automatically. The responsibility for implementing text alternatives, color cues, and keyboard routing remains with the developer. This is why accessibility must shift left. It should be a primary consideration at the start of the component's development. Start by building the semantic HTML data table. Layer the SVG visualization on top. Finally, secure interactive parity last. Engineering charts as data-first structures ensures that information remains reachable for all users, regardless of how they interact with the page.